we're gonna speed run how to make the easiest tankard strap for your belt for the Ren Fair. You can use any material. I am using suede, and then you're gonna need D-rings and these swivel snap hooks. It can be in any color. You can use any material you want, but this suede won't have to be hemmed on the sides. You're basically just going to measure the width that you need for both of these, and then you're going to cut it into strips. I am making 2, so I'm cutting 2 strips. Once you have your strips cut, you're just going to lay it flat and put one of the D-rings and one of the swivel hooks through each end, and you're just going to sew along to keep it latched onto the strap. You want them to be facing the same way. Once you have sewn both of those ends on, I'm going to show you 2 ways you can do it. You can either leave it just how it is like this, or if you want to make a belt loop, you can basically sew along right where I'm pointing with my finger. This is too thick for my sewing machine, so the way that I am getting around that is I am using a leather hole puncher, and I'm just punching a hole in each side of this, and then I'm going to take some embroidery thread and just stitch it together by hand. This way it will hold into a belt loop shape and it won't come loose. Now that is literally all you need to do to make this. I made these in like 5 minutes each. For the first one, if you just left it, basically you just string it underneath your belt and you can attach your tankard to it. It also doesn't matter if you put the D-ring or the snap hook through the belt first, it works both ways. And for the other one, since you have a belt loop, you're going to have to undo the belt to string it on. But once it's on your belt, the embroidery thread is going to keep it on there so it can't fall off, which is really nice. Same thing, you just put your tankard on there and snap it together. Obviously, if you use a fabric that needs to be hemmed, this might take you a little bit more time, but I think this is like the easiest method ever. This can also be used with any object, not just with tankards. You could do little pouches, fans, and you can even use the clip to secure other things to it. I have like this little rock charm, and then I use the fan right on the clip. So you can really use it however you want. I hope you found this helpful, and good luck with your crafting.